Sajid has said that it's going to be your biggest hit of all time, in fact.
For one, he's funny, and then he's deriving confidence, self-confidence within himself, which spreads into the whole team. And the whole team starts getting confident about a product and starts working hard on it.
Haircut, there's a guy called Jaipal, his guy. और उसने पीछे से जयपाल को आंख में जयपाल ने ट्रिम नहीं किया, उसने पूरा एक ट्रैक्टर चला दिया खच करके. Only way you can rule people's hearts in this country is by giving them popular films.
In one of the interviews, you've said a few things that you were a huge fan of Himmat Wala, and it's one of those movies I would take to an island. So, what exactly do you mean by that? In fact?
क्या होता है, एक पुराने ज़माने में एक सवाल होता था कि if you have to move to an island, which are the 10 movies which you will take? Which are the 10 books you'll take? So, if I'm on an island and on an island there's no cable, there's no satellite, you have only one DVD player, one TV, and you're allowed only 10 movies to take. Himmat Wala will be one of those 10 movies which you can watch again and again and again.
And I believe you also said that it's only 20% of the original, and apart from that, you have rewritten it. I think you've given some entire terminology for it, that you've rewritten it. It's not a remake as such.
It's not.
So could you please explain exactly what rewriting is, in fact?
I started as कि मैं हिम्मत वाला बनाऊंगा. जब मैंने draft complete किया, तो I tried to stop my producer from purchasing the rights, but it was too late by then.
No, I think it's ethical enough because you've decided, you've been inspired from a script.
Yeah.
And you pick up the seed from a film, and then you have to rewrite a film. You cannot just make the same film all over again.
But it's not just scenes, Faridun. The entire graph has changed.
Yeah.
It's not the same film. Your climax, your midpoint, your interval point, and your opening, ये तीन same नहीं है. तो script same हो ही नहीं सकती. His character is a street fighter in my film. There's a tiger in my film. हिम्मत वाला में ये सब था ही नहीं.
And apparently Tiger is not there, in fact. But you like tigers. You had it in Houseful as well.
One scene I had in Houseful. I think Houseful में monkey was a bigger scene with Akshay.
There will be comparisons with you and Jeetu Saab, in fact. Even people talk about the shoes and everything, the white clothes.
Like he's saying that it's not the same film altogether. Any which ways, you're sensible enough to understand that if a character of an engineer is changed to a street fighter, I think everything changes. Styling of clothes, so everything has to change. So everything has changed.
And even
and we are not even trying to spoof Himmat Wala. So.
An audience बहुत clever है. They know that Ajay Devgan has his distinct, unique style, and Jeetu ji had his distinct, unique style. They cannot match.
Sajid has said that it's going to be your biggest hit of all time, in fact. So
I hope he's right.
Okay. And the confidence that he has in terms of numbers and everything, आपने भी कहा that you like his confidence in one of my interviews. So how do you take it, like when someone is telling you numbers before the film has started even? So it's a unique thing, actually.
For one, he's funny, and then he's deriving confidence, self-confidence within himself, which spreads into the whole team. And the whole team starts getting confident about a product and starts working hard on it. So it's a way to push people, I think. That's what he does.
I believe you've taught the moonwalking steps to Sonakshi, and
just
thank God
one
it's
step
Friday.
I taught her because वो बेचारी जो कर रही थी थोड़ा गलती कर रही थी, और मैं जब ब्रेक डांसर था तो काफ़ी कुछ कर लेता था. अभी वेट बहुत पुट ऑन हो गया, तो the one thing I could still remember was moonwalking, so I showed it to her.
I think Ajay told you in one of the, we've seen in the making, that you have to have a haircut, in fact.
Haircut? There's a guy called Jaipal, his guy. अजय सर के कुछ मत, तू फिक्र मत कर, कुछ नहीं करेगा, ऐसे छोड़ा, ऐसा ट्रिम करेगा. और उसने पीछे से जयपाल को आंख में जयपाल ने ट्रिम नहीं किया, उसने पूरा एक ट्रैक्टर चला दिया खच करके. So I had to take a hair.
You've seen him with the hair?
I saw it, in fact. It was quite a...
What looks better?
No, that definitely. In fact, I saw it today morning, that entire transformation, it happens in a day's time.
Ramses का Samri with the long hair. Seriously, thank God I cut my hair short here.
The entire जो involvement आपका होता है जिस तरीके से, मतलब somewhere where you get that, in fact, because people have a lot of perception about Sajid Khan, but जो एक हम आपका देखते हैं जब आप काम में होते हैं, मतलब there's nothing apart from work that you're thinking at that point of time, and you seem to be very, very focused as to what you want from a scene.
You cannot make hit films if you're not focused.
Focused and involved.
You can't. I like getting involved, and
you have to love your work, na? If you don't love your work, there's no point of working, I guess.
And क्या होता है, Faridun, the kind of movies which I make, na, they always will be in certain sort of debate, even within the unit. कि थोड़ी ओवर द टॉप फिल्में, थोड़ी आज की सेंसिबिलिटी की फिल्म नहीं है, कमर्शियल सिनेमा जो होता है, which I think is the same which goes with someone like Rohit or Farah, the kind of movies which we make. So you have to believe in what you're doing is the right thing. And it definitely helps if you have a very intelligent actor who also happens to be a superstar. So you have to keep two things in mind. You have to project Ajay Devgan superstardom to the right, in the right way. But having said that, I don't get worried with scenes because he's a brilliant actor.
I want to ask Ajay because you have, I think, a very keen understanding of cinema and knowledge about cinema as well. Now, Ajay Devgan, he's a national award-winning actor. He's done films like Zakham and Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam and Bhagat Singh, and which is poles apart from, say, like a Himmat Wala or like a Golmaal series in the entire thing.
Which goes to show his versatility.
How do you just rate him as an actor, in fact, that the way he's balancing both the things, and I think now he's doing Satyagraha, so that takes care of the people who are just missing out on that stream, in fact.
I think he's now completed a metamorphosis. I think he was, I think you were at a battle within yourself of how much you can push yourself as an actor. I think he does that even in films now. But now he's realized that, I don't think that realized is the right word, but I think he's understood that the only way you can rule people's hearts in this country, is by giving them popular films. Superstar Rajinikanth. I think today, undoubtedly, one of the biggest box office names is Salman Khan. Ajay Devgan. These people's movies, they don't do 100 crores for no reason. They do it because they have public support and public enjoys their movies. And the same public also respects when they do little offbeat, smaller films, but those are not popular films. So I think popular cinema is extremely difficult to pull off. लोगों को लगता है अरे यार नाचना है, गाना है, डायलॉग बोलना है, क्या होता. Those other films are easier to do. बिकॉज वो फिल्म में आपको लगता है कि हाँ हमको भी मालूम है कि शायद चलेगी नहीं, रिस्पेक्ट शायद आ जाएगा. पॉपुलर फिल्म्स को चलाना बहुत बड़ी बात है बिकॉज ओवर देयर एंड टू स्पेसिफिकली मेक फिल्म्स विच आर क्लीन, विदाउट वल्गैरिटी, विदाउट सेक्सुअलिटी, विदाउट ब्लडशेड, नॉट हर्टिंग पीपल सेंसिबिलिटीज इन टर्म्स ऑफ फैमिली व्यूइंग, वो सिनेमा को चलाना और बनाना बहुत मुश्किल है.